truck. My food truck. I made this food truck and my art wagon. It is made of painted styrofoam. I made the wheels by putting the axle through 2 holes here and here. My food truck is called Kiyomi. Kiyomi means cutie in English. My food truck sells tasty food, ice cream, candy, and hot dogs. This is the owner. She runs the food truck. These are the customers. They buy the food. Everyone is happy because the food is tasty and the food truck is cute. Thank you for listening.